Welcome, digital adventurers. Today, we're diving into the digital depths of YouTube to unlock a secret many seek: how to unprivate your YouTube channel. Whether you're a budding creator or a seasoned pro looking to make a comeback, you're in the right place. First off, why go public? Going public means stepping into the limelight, sharing your passion, and connecting with a global audience. It's the first step in your YouTube journey. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Head over to youtube.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Use your Google account to log in. Step 2. Access your channel settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right. Select your channel and then click on YouTube Studio. Step 3. Dive into settings. In YouTube Studio, find the Settings option on the left-hand menu. Click it and a world of options will unfold. Step 4. Privacy Settings Unleashed. In the Settings menu, select Channel, then Advanced Settings. Here lies the gate to your channel's privacy. Step 5. Make the big switch. Look for, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? And ensure you make a selection that best represents your content. Below, you'll find the Make Channel Public option. Select it, and you're almost there. Final step, seal the deal. Don't forget to hit save at the bottom. Congratulations, you've just unlocked your YouTube channel to the world. And there you have it, folks. Your YouTube channel is now public, ready to welcome viewers from every corner of the globe. Share your stories, your passions, and your unique voice. Welcome to the YouTube family. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital hacks and tips. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep shining on YouTube.